Hi everyone, today I'm going to read you a book I made myself. It's about the nature. If you like nature, then you should know what the SDGs are. Search them up on Google. Their goal is to make our world a better place. And this book is kind of about SDGs. So let's go on with the video. So here is the book. The Boy Who Liked Nature. Front cover. Let's do it. One day there was a boy that loved nature. He was kind and strong, also smart too. He was curious about what if nature got destroyed. He wanted to find out in a small village. His name was Mark. There's the picture. He's imagining someone cutting down a tree. That's nature being destroyed. Here's the second picture. As he walked to his mom, he asked if he could go. His mother said yes. So he went on to his horse to travel. There's the horse. There's he traveling. But then, when on the way, he saw pollution, power plants, trees being cut down. He was shocked. He talked to a lady. She had the answers. She said people are polluting because we need to do this to live. People do pollution like deforestation, global warming, water pollution, air pollution, and habitat loss. They are all human activities, but there are ways to solve them, said the lady. I will try, said Mark. Then he left. Picture, old lady and Mark talking. So soon, then he helped by planting a tree, and it rained. It was perfect. Here it is, the picture. There's another weird picture of a tree. And here's what the author's message is. Definitely by me, though. Help planet Earth. That's the correct thing you should do. Bye. I hope you enjoyed the book. Remember, help planet Earth. Bye.